Hello friends, and in the series of tutorial for mastering most used Excel functions and formulas, and in this tutorial we'll continue with our session of statistical functions, and we'll first make a revision of what we have learned earlier, and then we'll move ahead and learn the other very important concepts related to statistics and statistical functions. So, and again we'll be doing everything. We'll doing the practical sessions, we'll doing the theoretical sessions together, we'll combining all that so the concept is very clear to you. We should not waste much time over this presentation. Let's quickly move ahead. So this is our next slide, and here we can see that the heading is of course the most used Excel functions and formulas, and the topic for today's discussion is the statistical functions. So we'll first understand a very important trick of the maximum function, and it is very useful when we are dealing with the negative numbers. Then we'll learn the rand and the rand between functions. It comes under the category of the random numbers. In the next, then we'll understand what is a rank function and the different argument it takes and how it is used. All right, let's come out of this presentation and move ahead and open a fresh Excel workbook. And to start with, to begin with, we have already learned the average, mean, mode, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and large and small functions in the previous tutorial, and we have discussed it in a very great detail. So first, I will write few, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 10, 20, 32, 40, 40, 42, 100, and 10. All right. Now we'll write some other random numbers here like 30, 10, 20, 100, 10, 20, 10, 10, 10, 10. All right, and here we'll write 10 again, sorry. All right, so we have written few random number in column A and column B. So now we'll first check the difference between A1 minus B1. We'll press enter. It is negative number. Let's extend it and check the difference till the 10th number. So as we all have seen, the difference is coming -2, but we don't want it. We only want the difference if it is positive. If not, we want the value should be 0. All right, so what we can do here, we can apply a max function. We can write either 0 or else the difference between A1 minus B1, and we'll write answer. So it is coming up as 0. We'll extend the result till here. And as we can see now, whenever there is a negative number, it is displaying 0, and when there is a positive number, it is displaying the exact value. Now, how max function is doing it? See, max function takes up 2 argument, and it will display the maximum of both the numbers. So what I'm doing, I'm simply putting a trick here. I'm displaying the maximum of 0 and the negative. So when it goes negative, like here, so it is displaying 0, and when it is positive, it will of course display the real number. So we can do the vice versa. We can display the minimum. We can display the minimum or 0, and if we'll extend it, sorry, we'll write it here. Sorry, we'll write MIN, I'll press enter, and if we can see here, if we extend it, all the negative numbers will be there, but the positive number will not be there. So this is a very useful trick when we are dealing with Excel, and we can use it whenever we want to, and it is very useful. So we'll change it again. We'll write max of 0, A1 minus B1, and we'll produce the parenthesis because we promised that we'll discuss this. All right, we'll extend it to here. All right. Now we'll move ahead and we'll learn what is a random function. So let's simply write random function and open and close it. So as you can see, it is displaying a random value. All right, random value from 0 to 1. As we extend the result, we can see that number is getting changed. Even in a particular cell, it is getting changed after some time. So what if we'll again play with the cells and we'll see what happens. Again, it will change. Again, as you have seen that the number has changed, and the number has changed in between 0 to 1. So it will change. So what if we want to take up the data? We can control, simply copy it and we can paste it here. And we need to paste the formula, paste the value, paste value. So as you can see here, it is coming up a rand function. But when you will select any cell, any row inside this, you will get the exact number. So this way we can get the value of the random number and we can paste it. All right. Now let's understand how to generate a random number between 1 to 10. All right. So what we want here, it will generate a random number between 0 to 1.